Now I'm back. This is an equestrian bag that I found. Let me get you the number. Actually, oh yeah, this is 9807. Excuse me. Style number 9807. This particular bag's made in 1998. So, because my allergies are getting to me here. So, this bag, just a quick rundown. Found it at the thrift. It's in decent condition, but does need some cleaning. Looks like there's a little bit of an indentation here. I don't know if I'm going to be able to get that out with cleaning. I'm going to try to massage it with some conditioner. I did not notice any mold or anything, or potential mold. However, I played it safe, doused it with undiluted distilled vinegar inside and out, and opened it up and stuck it under my grow lights, so that, because it's cold and I just didn't feel like sitting it outside in the sun, so I just put it under grow lights so it can get the UVB rays on it. And I did that twice, and so that's been almost a week ago actually, because I got these last Sunday and today's Friday. So I treated with vinegar 2 different times. So along with the other bag, because I'm pretty sure the other bag had some vinegar. So there's the saddle soap. When I'm done, I'm going to condition with leather CPR and use some water, horsehair brush. All right, so let's get started. I am very tired. It's been a long week. So, just like the other bags, I'm just going to get this wet, because I am going to stuff it so that it can dry in a nice new shape instead of this flat pancake shape. And I did clean the hardware first, because I didn't want this video to be super long. So I said, let me just clean that first, get that out of the way. Oh yeah, this is dirtier. Maybe that's why I'm sneezing, because of the dust. Yeah, this is dirt. I don't think that's color transfer. I think that's dirt. So I'm going to, might as well clean this portion. Might get a little more soap. These areas where your fingers might touch and get a lot of oil on the leather. So when I douse this with vinegar, then I took once it dried under the grow lights, I took a cloth that was also doused with vinegar and wiped it down. Now I'm cleaning only the smooth leather part, because that creed pocket is smooth leather. I'm not cleaning the suede part of the bag with the saddle soap, just the smooth leather part. So, oh, and then I also wiped the inside after I cleaned it with the vinegar. Then I also wiped the inside completely with a soapy towel. So that's that with the, oh, I need to clean all of this with some saddle soap. I'll get this panel. And I don't want to get it soaking wet, but I do want to get it wet enough that it'll easily reshape as it dries. So this is soaking up a lot of the water. So it's soaking up a lot. I don't want to get that wet. Alright. This is going to be a beautiful bag once it dries. I'm so excited. So I do not have this bag. I've never had one of these. So to add this to my collection is going to be very nice. And I'll make a tassel for it. Alright, so at the bottom. Get into those crevices all around. Okay. This leather is really, really soft. Once it's hydrated, it gets so soft. Just get that clean. Alright. Yeah. Wow. Alright, so now it's wet, but it's ready to be reshaped. So actually, first let me put, Lord, see? Put my hand in the saddle soap instead of the conditioner. Oh man, I'm having a time here. So I am going to condition the pocket. Now that Creed pocket was smooth leather on the outside of it and on the inside, so I am gonna do both, just like when I cleaned it. I'm gonna clean and condition. This is the saddle soap. Is a harsh cleanser, so this probably actually didn't even need saddle soap, but it was pretty dirty. But I probably could have gotten away with a gentler cleaner like Lexol, or probably just use this, because this is a leather cleaner and conditioner. So and to use it as a cleaner, all you do is put it on the bag, generous amount on the bag, let it sit for a few minutes, and then wipe it off with a damp cloth or dry. I like to use damp because it seems to remove dirt a little easier. And then put another coat of it on there and let that soak in. So that would be how to use it as a cleaner and conditioner. And it'd be a little gentler than using saddle soap. Alright. Probably should have stuffed this. Should have stuffed it before I started conditioning the outside. Let's rub this in. Okay. I have a bunch of packing paper. Overstuff it just a little bit, so I want it to dry in this shape. bag, like this other one, has a little bit of a musty smell. So some of that is going to disappear with the vinegar, but I may have to treat this with some vodka a couple times. So I'm going to condition it, continue to condition it, and over the next couple of days assess how strong the odor is. And then if it still hasn't dissipated, I'm going to put some cheap vodka in a spray bottle and spray it, and then stick it under my grow lights and then let it dry. So that can help get the smell out of leather, help get smoke smells out and other different odors in leather. Sometimes people do that and stick it in the freezer, put it in a bag and stick it in their freezer. I have not tried that, but during the very cold days, I have put bags in my garage, and it seemed to help. So I'm thinking that the freezer works too, since the cold garage worked. I just put them out on a shelf in my garage on some below zero days, and smell was gone out of the bag. So, all right. So there's that. Conditioner here, but that's as far as I'm gonna go with this today, because I am exhausted. So there's the bag, the hardware. I polished that before I got on camera with some metal cleaner. I use Barkeeper's Friend, and it's safe to use that on brass. Or you can leave it and give the bag some character. I did also, there's some hardware on the strap. The strap is in excellent condition, but also dirty. So I am going to clean the strap, but I'm going to do that off camera later, because I'm done for today. But I will post pictures of the bag once it dries, and if you have any questions, or if you want to try this, then I'll have links to all the stuff that I use on my page. And I'm not an expert, but I'm willing to share what I know and show how things turn out for me cleaning leather bags. And yeah, I'm looking forward to sharing my knowledge and helping people get their bags looking really clean, or whatever leather they choose to spruce up. All right, thanks everybody. I'll see you later. Bye.